Today we're working on cutting the outer fenders on my 80 series Land Cruiser so I can fit 42-inch tires. I'm currently on 37s with a 3-inch lift, but I'll need a lot more room to tuck the bigger tires. After cutting the outer fenders, I made some pie cuts to the inner fenders and bent them up out of the way. I'll be resealing this area with sheet metal, but for now I just want to test fit the 42s. The OEM gears are 410s and there's no need to go to 529s because the amount of torque that Cummins put out is more than enough. These are 42-inch Kevlar MTRs on raceline bead locks and a -38 offset, and they're fitting perfectly.